Let me show you a few things. Let me show you.
What up, y'all? Elle and I just got to the Vij Hotel in Phuket. How you like it so far?
Far, but very good.
You like
The
it?
hotel look quiet.
If you watch till the end, I'll tell you the price it costs to stay
It's
here.
very cool, man. It's like we got our own, it's almost like having your own house. We got our own pool. We got our own outdoor shower.
The Vij Resort Phuket. These are some of the most beautiful islands with beautiful people.
Shout out to my man Big Cass who hooked this up for us.
Go pick up his book, I Made It Off the Block. Number 5 in bestsellers this week.
Appreciate him, man. This is really, really nice.
The crazy thing is, we haven't been to Phuket since the nightmare of 2020. It was March 9th. I mean, by the time we left, everything was shut down. This is what Pattaya looked like in 2020. The streets were empty, the hotels were empty. This is when you guys were stuck in the Matrix and people thought I was stuck out here.
People keep asking me, am I stuck? I mean, do I look stuck? Does this look stuck? I mean, that tractor looks stuck, but not me.
The worst, they told us not to walk on the beach. This is when I was still trying to figure things out. Was I gonna stay here or go back to the Matrix when people were arguing over Lysol and toilet paper? Thailand was a ghost town. Believe it or not, this is when I fell in love with Thailand. Every time I would watch the news back home, I would get stressed out. But every time I went outside or I looked out my window, I would get a peace of mind that I'd never felt before. I felt free. I would ride on my motorbike through this empty city with the warm wind blowing around me, and that's when I had a talk with God. I had no idea that less than a year later, I would be inspiring people all over the world to get their bread together, get their passports, and zoom to Thailand. It is 7 p.m. at night. There's the go-kart track. I'm in Pattaya, Thailand during the lockdown, and I feel like I'm the last man on earth. I feel like I am legend right now. I'm waiting for the COVID zombies to jump out the bushes. I'm serious. This place is completely empty. Wait, there's a car. I get a lot of credit for leading people out of the Matrix, but the truth of the matter is, this was God's plan, not mine. I realized that everybody was locked in the house and couldn't leave the Matrix. So I just wanted to show you guys what life was like on the other side of the world.
The women serve us. They make sure we straight. This is what I'm talking about. What a blessing.
Once again, I had no idea the impact that would make, but God did. The last trip Elle and I had before the shutdown was here in Phuket. It didn't just happen all at once. They were slowly starting to shut things down a little bit at a time. So by the time we were at the end of our trip, Patong was just a shell of itself. But now it looks totally different. People are parasailing again, flipping around. Even in the low season, this looks night and day from how I remembered it. People are back, traffic is back, the vendors are back. Everyone needs to come and check out Patong and see for yourself. Like I tell people in my consultations, Pattaya is Disneyland, but Phuket is Disney World. Everything is on a bigger scale. This is where you come to take the beautiful pictures, visit beautiful islands, and for those of you that are still into this, even a marriage or a honeymoon.
All right, y'all, we are in Patong, Phuket. About to go get some Middle Eastern food. That's what my man's in the mood for, so we're going to get some Middle Eastern food. We're going to let y'all know how it is, and we're going to get back with you.
I don't know which one of y'all we gonna eat. I think you're gonna be the one. You're gonna be the one right there. Here we go. We got the halal restaurant. Let's cut that in half, brother.
The evolution of men traveling overseas in 2023 is crazy. Even men with bellies bigger than mine can live high off the hog if they have the right attitude, the right paperwork, meaning a valid passport, a realistic budget, and of course, a consultation from the travel OG. If you're seriously thinking about coming out here, tap the link in the description and I will help you. Wait, hold up. How much? All right, we'll come back later. We got to get to the hotel and check in. All right, y'all, we up in the visit. How they come to greet you, bro? Where they do that at? Smile, buddy, cop. I know the woman ain't picking up that. Popcorn cop. Oh, popcorn cop. They'll search me mine. All right, y'all, we at the Vij. Me and Thai Noodle, we ain't never been to the Vij before. They give you your own little huts. We gonna see what it do, man. This is our house for the next couple days. The Vij. You did. All right, Thai Noodle. Ooh. Thai Noodle showing me the Thai way you gotta take your shoes off, huh, Noodle? Oh, they got the man slippers and the woman slippers, huh? Okay, cool.
Ow.
Can I go outside in the back with these, Noodle?
I think not good. You just slider.
Slider, huh?
You just slider.
Phuket is a totally different get down than Pattaya and especially Bangkok. The cars look different. The island looks different. It's like trying to compare Miami to Chicago. It's just different. Now let's get to the details. We're gonna follow Elle around the bungalow and see what this place has to offer. And remember, you get what you pay for. If you want the Royal Star treatment or you can afford $5K a month, you can pretty much have a great life. This same bungalow in LA with your own private pool will probably cost upwards of $2,000 a night. Here, it's almost 1/10 of that. Now let's talk about the bathroom. Double sinks, which I always like, a big ass jacuzzi tub. You can pop open the door and walk right outside to your own private pool. Speaking of pools, the outdoor infinity pool is fire. Breakfast is also included and they got a nice buffet here as well. But I was most impressed with the room service food. All right, y'all, we're at the Vij having our lunch. We got the pineapple fried rice. Now got some sort of Thai cuisine over here. We got our little dessert. And I got my chicken adobo, yeah, dig. And avocado, tomato, and mozzarella salad, yeah, dig. The Vij, you guys. This is about 30-40 minutes away from Patong, the main city. So this is its own little area. Up in here, and they come to Elle with their big old legs. What you doing with them big old legs? Elle, tell them, say, save yourself back, man.
Save yourself back, man.
Save yourself back, man. Yo, Kaz, I have to say this is one of the most unique hotels I've stayed at out here, brother. I want to say thank you so much for making this happen. Appreciate you, brother. For real. The price breakdown for the Vij Resort was about $215 per night for 3 nights, plus tax of $120, not including room service, was $763.95. And with that being said, y'all know what I'm about to say, right? Hey.
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mack, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it popping. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mack, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mack, travel OG, let's go.
And last but not least, man, if you guys have any clips or anything you want me to respond to or anything that's going to keep the conversation going, enlightened, fun, educational, man, please email me, zoomtothailand@gmail.com. Zoom to Thailand is my official handle. Zoom to Thailand IG, Zoom to Thailand Patreon, Zoom to Thailand Cash App, Zoom to Thailand Gmail. Everything is Zoom to Thailand. So make sure you guys support the movement. Keep the love going. Love you guys. Thank you for the support. God bless, and I'll see you later. Peace!
Don't forget to subscribe for my channel.